It's that time of year where that air conditioning bill is getting a workout, and perhaps so is your bank account as a result. All these high electric bills, I mean, I dread opening that baby every month, I got to tell you. So perhaps it is time to consider a new air conditioner. But where do you begin? Lucky for us, Joby Teal from AC Warehouse is here, and he's bringing the hardware today to prove why you are the one to give a call and have someone on your side. Right, Joby?
That's right.
What did you bring here? Let's start off with the goods first. We like to start off with the bling here.
Well, this is our most recent award that we've won. This happens to be through our manufacturer, Rheem. This is the 2016. We won that award last year in 2015, and then this was in 2014. These awards represent all contractors all across the United States. There's thousands and thousands of contractors that are purchasing their equipment, and the manufacturer selects the top 20 in the country. Again, that's in the country. So when you look at Tampa Bay and St. Pete and the surrounding areas, we're the only contractor that received this award, and we're very proud of it.
See, here's my thing. When you see all the commercials and now social networking, perhaps you see air conditioning companies advertise, there just seems to be so many out there. How can you help with the search, and how can you show that, you know what, we're the ones that are going to be on your side. We're looking out for the customers.
Well, we hear this from customers every day. I've talked to several customers just this last week, and they've said, we had an AC installed by a company. We've tried to call them back. There's no response, or they went out of business. We've been through 2 or 3 different AC companies. How do I find a pro in the business?
Yes.
And I explained to them that, we've won these awards for a reason. Number one, the continuous training. In order to win one of these awards, our technicians have to go through extensive training to meet their qualifications, which we've done. And that's really important to, when a technician comes out the home, to be able to diagnose a problem and get that repair fixed. And a lot of customers have just kind of lost faith because they've been through different AC companies, and they really just don't know where to find the pro in the business. And we discuss this when we come out to their home, that we've won these awards and the importance of these awards, not only with the training, but in the event that something goes wrong, we have the ability, because of the relationship with this manufacturer, that we can have that unit switched out at no cost and get that customer up and running.
Well, I'm glad you brought up cost, because this sounds great. You want somebody who's going to give you the treatment that you deserve. But people also, you got to focus on the wallet a little bit and meet a budget. How are you able to provide low cost with this service to your customers? Well,
again, winning these awards were recognized by the manufacturer. The manufacturer, is very important to them as well, because their name is out there with the contractor. So with winning these awards and, of course, our buying power, we then take that savings and pass it on down to the consumer. So we do get special pricing and additional rebates and incentives for the customer. But more importantly, for that customer, if anything were to go wrong, like I mentioned, we hope that it doesn't. But in the event that it does, we can be there to pick up the pieces, and we work with them directly on that. So.
And I'm curious, when you do see these advertisements out there, and obviously you've brought the awards to show your backing, what do people need to keep in mind? What's the important thing when you're searching for that company to take care of them?
Well, again, we've said before, a licensed insured contractor is where you want to start, and of course one that you can trust. But unfortunately, it's very hard for a homeowner to really determine, whether they are the pro or they're not. A lot of these contractors, out there, and not all of them, but a lot of them, say that they have trained trained installers and technicians, and they've gone through schooling. However, sometimes that's far from the truth. This represents the fact that we've gone through the training, we've done our homework as far as hiring the right technicians for the job, and making sure that they're readily available to go out there and fix the units.
You got the hardware to prove it, right, Joby? Yep. Well, I know right now you also want to help out our viewers in case they're thinking about giving you a call. Why is now the time for them to call you?
That's a great time right now. Our rebates and incentives are up to $1,700. We also have 5 years no interest on a full system replacement, and your first payment's not due for 5 months.
Oh, nice. So you can still enjoy the summer even if you have to install a new air conditioner. I like that, Joby. Well, there's the information on your screen on how you can get in touch with he and his team. We always appreciate when you're here. And again, congratulations on the awards.
Thank you.